Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time here, my name is Stella. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I post any new video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you guys for the love, thank you guys for the support. Honestly, I really do appreciate. So on my channel, I talk about my life here in the UK, what is happening around me, and I share information. So today's video is sponsored by Amber Student Accommodation. Hi guys, are you planning to travel abroad, or are you planning to come to the UK to study and you're worried about accommodation? We all know what is happening with the accommodation crisis. Don't worry about accommodation, because Amber Student Accommodation has got you covered. So Amber is a platform through which students can book accommodations near their universities. They are Asia's largest student accommodation provider, and they are currently operational in 100 cities in Australia, and in Europe we've got UK, we've got France, Germany, Ireland, we've got Denmark, Spain, and also we've got the United States, with more than 20,000 listings on their platform. So how it works, all you need to do is to search, finalize and book. So when searching, students can book from a wide range of options according to their preferences, including high and low budget options, and flexible in size. So you can get ensuite, you can get studio, and you can also get multiple sharing. How good is that? So it just depends on your budget. So when finalizing, they provide the students with round-the-clock free and personalized assistance each step of the way. And when booking, the executives will not only be with you through every step of the way, but we also take care of the cumbersome paperwork, including lease agreements. Students can also find out more about their own home, away from home, with live viewing season. So I'm going to leave a link on the description below for you guys to go and check them out for more understanding. And this is their website. It's so easy to use, self-explanatory, and don't be scared, it is safe. And they've got beautiful properties here in the UK. You can see them on the screen. They are beautiful and lovely. Like I said, it all depends on your money, and don't stress it too much, because you don't have to spend a lot. You can go based on your budget. They have something for everyone, and they've got a very good review on Trustpilot. I'm going to leave my referral link on the description below for you guys to use my link to book for your accommodation. Go check them out and thank me later. So guys, don't forget to use my link on the description below to book for your accommodation. It simply means when you use the link on the description below, I'm going to get something. That's a referral bonus. So that's just it. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a 2-bedroom empty house tour. Is it 2-bedroom terrace? I don't know if it's terrace or what they call it, but that's by the way. So someone back home used my name and number to book for appointment, to book for viewing. So I'll be going there to view the house for the person on his behalf, or should I say on his family behalf. So I'll be doing a tour of the house. The reason I'm making this video is because in my previous video where I do a studio apartment tour, so many persons have been contacting me, telling me that they're looking for something like that, that the house they live in is not what they want and all of that. And that's why I'm making this video. So here in the UK, it's not like back home where they care about the building, like the outside of the building. What I realized that all they care about is inside building. So some of us that might not be lucky, it's freezing guys, some of us might not be lucky with getting accommodation, because you all know the accommodation crisis. Even back then when I came to the UK, it was not easy getting accommodation here in the UK. You need to start from somewhere. So now some of their houses is not what you think. So back home we'll be thinking, oh, the houses in the UK will be posh, will be this. No, some of their houses is not like that. It's not like that. It's just like every other. It's not like that. It's just like this. You see some houses like this, you can see on the screen. You will see some houses like that, but that does not mean the inside of the house is that bad. But it's just that they don't really care about the wall, because of the weather. It's always raining, the snow, in fact, that's what I think. That's why they don't really care about the outside, or should I say the wall of the house. So if you're looking for accommodation, at first, I think anywhere you get, just manage it for the time being. Just manage it for the main time while you're searching for other houses. And the good thing is that you can pay for 6 months or monthly, at least while you're searching for other houses. So for those of you contacting me it's normal. In fact, I feel like most persons that migrated or most persons that relocate to the UK we face some of that challenge for maybe for a few months before getting the type of accommodation they want to get. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. So that is just it. So today I'm going to be showing you guys 2-bedroom terrace. So it's not as if you guys should be expecting all the time like a posh or one kind of wow building, especially if you're coming from Nigeria. You know, the few weeks that you stay or a few months that you will stay, you'll be paying in naira before you settle down and start paying your rent. So please manage what you see. In fact, me as a person, I went through that. Like the first house I lived in this country was there. There was something else, but yes, today is a story. So don't be discouraged. Any house you see, just manage it. So today we're going to be doing a 2-bedroom empty house tour. So leave me a comment on what you think about UK houses or the challenge. For me, one thing I know for sure is that their houses or their rooms are not as big as our rooms back home. So mind you, I'm a Nigerian living here in the UK. So back home in Nigeria, I just know that my room was big. So that's just it. So anyways, let's go, guys. So guys, I'm on my way now to the house. So guys, this is what UK houses look like. Some of the building you guys see online, you guys will be like, oh, their houses are beautiful and all of that. Yes, some of their houses are like that, but some are not really what you guys think. Honestly speaking, some of their houses are like this, and they don't really care about outside the building. They don't care about outside of the building. I mean, all they care about is inside, you know. So that's why you can see. Can you see that? I remember before coming to the UK, I was thinking the kind of building I will be seeing is wow, but no, trust me, forget all of that you guys see online. Some of their houses are not that wow, but yes, you guys need to start from somewhere. So yes, this is the street I'm taking you guys to for the 2-bedroom terrace. So guys, this is the building and this is the street. I decided to show you guys the real houses, like what you're going to see your first time of, you know, searching or house hunting here in the UK. I know some persons are lucky to get a lovely house, don't get me wrong, but trust me, it's not always that easy to get the nice house. So this is what the street looks like. I'm heading to the house now. Okay, let's see what we've got. Two. So this is the hallway. When you enter, this is the, what's it called? This is the sitting room. It's nice and it's just they just decorated it, so it's really nice.
There's a new carpet going
in
tomorrow.
Okay.
On Thursday as well.
Okay, and a new carpet will be fitted in here. The new carpet. So I think it's still kind of working on it. And this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. So this is what the kitchen looked like. This is the cook. I think they're still working on it though. But yeah, this is what the kitchen looks like. Let me show you guys the back. So this is the back. It's quite big. Yeah. And then let's go to the bedroom. So it's a 2-bedroom terrace. And okay, this is the stair. Terrace. 2-bedroom terrace. Okay, so this is the first room. Voila! So this is the first room. This is what the first room looks like. And this is the view from the room. So this is the view. This is the wardrobe. This is the wardrobe. Yeah, can you see that? And let's go to the second room. Let's go. So this is the second room. They've got enough storage though. That's something I love about this building. They've got enough storage, enough wardrobe, you know. For those of us that have so many clothes, they've got enough wardrobe. And this is the view. But at the moment they're still working on this place though. They're still painting. They're going to fit a new carpet, new stuff. So they are working on this. So if you like this, just let me know. So this is it. So let's go to the toilet. So this is the toilet. The toilet is big, just like I said. They're still working on this place. They're still working on this building, but yeah, this is what the place looks like. So this is it, guys. So yeah, this is the 2-bedroom. Okay, thank you very much.
All right, yeah, no problem at all.
A few moments later.
So guys, what do you all think about the 2-bedroom house? Do you think it's worth the price for £650? Do you think it's worth the price? And tell me what you think about the house. For me, the house for £650, I don't know what to say, because as at 2018-2019 I used to live in 2-bedroom house, and as at then we used to pay £500, and the location here is West Yorkshire. So I don't know about other places. Do you get? So probably other places might be very expensive or might be cheaper. I don't know. So one thing with house hunting, sometimes you'll be like, oh, thank God I'm going to get this house. The next minute they'll tell you that landlord just changed his mind because they'll allow different people to view the house. At the end of the day, the landlord will decide who he wants or who she wants to give the house. This is the UK for you. House hunting here in the UK honestly is a very difficult thing. Like, it's so difficult when you're house hunting. You understand that the hustle is real. That house now, I don't know if they will give it to me. I mean, give it to the person, I am helping, because we're like 4 people that viewed that house. Like, I was shocked when we got there. 2 persons just finished viewing it, and then when I was leaving, I'm the 3rd person. When I was leaving, another set were coming in. I was like, this particular house, I don't know if this person will be lucky to get the house, but whatever happens, I believe the house is okay for someone that is just coming to the UK, because the person just have 1 child and it's just 2-bedroom anyway. So I don't think it's bad for a family of 3, to be honest. But it's just the price. Do you guys think it's worth the price? I feel like it's because of the accommodation crisis. That's why it's expensive. If not, that house should be around like I don't know. I don't know. Coupled with that same house, they are painting it, so they are decorating the house, meaning they are putting in new rug. Here they call it carpet, but in Nigeria I think we call it rug. So they are putting new carpet, they are painting it, so they're like renovating the house, so it's going to look fresh and posh when they finish everything and clear it and remove all of that rubbish. Everything is going to look beautiful and lovely. I trust them anyway in terms of cleaning and painting. Is going to be nice. So one thing that I know is that when they are done, the house will be beautiful. But anyways, that's just it for today viewing. And don't forget again to use my referral code if you're wanting to book with Amber Student Accommodation. With this, we've come to the end of today's video. If you find this video interesting and informative, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share my video. And leave me a comment on what kind of video you want me to make. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.